This video will demonstrate how to add yellow basket in TikTok video. Go on your TikTok shop and tap on the plus icon and proceed with uploading any video on here. So I'm going to go ahead and upload a video recorded before and proceed with tapping on next, and then the option for us to add the yellow basket should be located over here on add link. Just tap on add product and that's going to allow you to have yellow basket on your TikTok video now. Tap on add in the red box. Continue tap on add. That's to make sure you follow TikTok content guidelines and show this product in your video. Fill in the product name. Tapping on add, it will turn into the page uploading the video. Tap post. The video will be added with yellow basket successfully. That concludes our introduction how to add yellow basket in TikTok video. There are more details and examples available within ForSeller Online Help Center. Don't forget to like and follow our channel that's to get more useful e-commerce experience sharing. If you're interested in ForSeller and think it is useful to you, then please leave yes in the comment area. This is Jolene. See you in the next video.